Hi guys, so Bathley Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Golden and Joe and Adam is on the other side. There we go. Now the time now is 14:08 on Saturday the 26th of September 2015, and this is 4. I was slightly delayed. 13:55, 1 hour for 31, Virgin Tracy's coast service from East London King's Cross, expected to pass at 14:05.
That thing come off my phone, Adam. It's come off my phone.
What is that?
Load of rubbish.
No, I don't know. Oh, that was over there. And they're used for lorries, so that if a lorry is too high and if it hits the bells, it means it can't go across to the overhead wires up there. Anyway, I'm going to get the far back shot. Here we go, and there's the far back shot. Okay. So let's see if we can find that train. Right. Now where did Adam go this time?
Which way is it coming next? Do you know?
That way.
From these all come that way.
Oh, right, okay.
Right.
Right.
Where did Adam go this time?
I don't know, he's disappeared. Yeah.
Joe, where's Adam?
He's there.
Where?
He's there.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, that bend over there where Joe is. Right.
That's a bit stuck to the fence, wasn't it? There she is!
Here she is. We've got. What? Just read the number. We've got
82,202.
82,202. What's the number? And we're staying. What was the number on the 91? Joe.
Yeah.
What was the number on the 91?
91, mate.
91101 to London King's Cross, and we're staying for the 14:13 10:18 Virgin Tracy's coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, expected to pass at 13. So it should be coming from that way.
Yeah.
Wait for our 14:30 10:18 Virgin Tracy's coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh.
There's Adam over there.
There she is. Not Muscat, but not go back up, it's just here now.
Where is she? There she is. We've got. Better than the 91 and 82. Here she is. She's coming. We've got
91 103! 203 on a pair to Edinburgh, and up they go.
Virgin Tracy's coast service
Head to
to
North Muscat
Edinburgh,
now.
and up they go. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.